Hello and welcome to this SOFOLK video. Here, I'd like to take you step by step through the process of choosing your color so that you have every chance of making your project a success. By clicking on this tab, you can get an overview of all the colors offered by SOFOLK. First of all, here are 3 important things to know. Not all items are available in all colors. In fact, the choice of color available may vary depending on the item chosen. And then, under no circumstances should you choose your color by relying on your screen. You'd be making a serious mistake if your monitor didn't display reality. So let's see how to get around this. Finally, depending on your choice of color, you may have to pay a little extra. I start by choosing an item. For this example, I choose a leather sofa renovation kit by clicking here. When I'm on the page for the item I've chosen, I click on Choose a Color. Let's see what options are available. This is the page you get when all the options are available for the chosen item. We'll go through them one by one. The first option to consider is, I would like to receive the SOFOLK color chart first. Choosing this option allows you to finalize your order with the items or kits you have selected and benefit from free delivery of the color chart. In this case, it is the payment of the order that triggers the dispatch of the SOFOLK color chart to your home. When you receive it, you make your choice of color and then contact us again via your customer area to inform us of the color you have chosen. You will receive your order a few days later. This color chart contains 97 colors. You can get an overview by clicking here, SOFOLK color chart page. Of these 97 colors, 22 are available from our permanent stock at no extra charge. The other colors are made to order within a few days and involve an additional cost. If you would like to receive the SOFOLK color chart without first placing an order, you can do so by clicking here on Order the color chart. By doing this, you can order the color chart on your own, and it will be sent to you very quickly, within 24 working hours. Second option, I choose my color now from a color chart. I click on this option. A palette of colors is displayed. These are the colors included in the price of your item. Any other color will incur an additional cost, which we'll look at later. These colors are also available immediately from stock, making them the quickest and cheapest option. Click here to access the full SOFOLK color chart. It contains the 22 colors we've just seen. However, in addition to the previous page, we also have the non-standard colors of this color chart. These are colors 22 to 97. Very important, this color chart is used to transfer your choice if you have already received the physical version at home. Don't try to choose your color using your screen if you haven't ordered it beforehand. We also offer other color charts on this page, so let's move on to the one relating to furniture manufacturers. First of all, it's important to note that this section will only be useful to you if you know the name of your color, as designated by the manufacturer. We strongly advise you not to try to find yours by relying on the illustrations you see. So, if you know the name of your color, then start by searching for your brand in the list, then use the search tab to find your color in the list. This list is extensive but not exhaustive, so if you can't find your color, it probably hasn't been listed yet. In this case, you'll need to send us a sample of your leather. We'll come back to this later. In any case, don't order your color from this color chart unless you're sure you've identified it correctly, especially as these items are made to order and cannot be returned or exchanged. If you have any difficulties, remember that we are always available to help you, from your customer area or even by telephone. I go back by clicking here, RAL color chart. There is still one color chart from which you can choose your color, the RAL chart. As with the previous color chart, don't rely on the illustrations to choose your color. This list of colors will only be useful if you already have a physical version of the color chart. It's a very common color chart that you're likely to already have at home. It has the advantage of being very complete. Let's go back. Tan. We've covered all the options here. I click back, and we look at the next method. I provide a sample, that's pretty clear. With this option you make sure you get the color that's closest to your original color. The minimum size required for a sample is 12 mm by 12 mm. The sample must be clean and perfectly in good condition. No seam holes in the middle, for example. On sofas and armchairs, you can usually find a discrete area to take a sample by looking underneath. If necessary, remove the fabric slightly to help you. If it's not possible to find an area to remove, you can also send a dismantled item such as a headrest, armrest, or cushion cover. For small leather goods, send the whole item. Once you have paid for your order, you send your sample to the address indicated here. You send this parcel by your own means, taking care to quote your order number. When we receive your sample, you will be informed by email that we have received it. We will then produce your copy within a few days. Once your order has been completed, large samples are returned with the items. The return is included in the service up to 1 kilo. On the other hand, if you have sent us a small leather sample, it will be archived on our premises. In this way, it will be possible for you to recommend this color in the future. Which brings me to the final option of color choice. I choose the same color as the previous command. It's easy here. To order the same color as a previous order, simply enter the number of the order in question in this space. For information, the order number is indicated on your bottle. We have now reviewed all the methods offered by SOFOLK for choosing the color for your renovation project. One last thing, remember that if you have any doubts, our advisors are on hand to answer all your questions. Use the contact form right here. You can even leave photos of your project. An advisor will get back to you very quickly to guide you through the procedure and draw up your order form. Thank you for listening and see you soon with SOFOLK.